Hello, and welcome to the SolidWorks tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be teaching you how to offset entities, how to master the shell tool, use a different way to use the extrude cut, how to employ textures into your model. We will begin by sketching a rectangle with the same exact dimensions as the MP3 player. In this case, we use the dimensions of 40 mm by 100 mm. We will then sketch fillets of a radius of 5 mm. Then exclude the dimensions and just select the outline of the sketch. Click the Offset Entities tool. An offset can be created outwards, inwards, or in both directions. In this case, we'll be using the outwards offset. We will now extrude the offset by selecting all of the edges of the offset and then clicking the Extrude Boss Base tool. We will now hollow out the model to create the shape of the case by using the Shell tool. Select the front face and then click Shell. The parameter of the shell can be determined by using the up and down arrows on the left or by clicking an exact length. We will now sketch on the docking port hole and the earphone jack hole. now click the Extrude Cut tool. But this time, instead of giving the exact length for the depth of cut, we will use the drop down menu and select the option Up to Next. As the name suggests, this kind of cut will cut the hole only to the next surface. We will now color in the inside of the case, just like we did for the MP3 player. Select all the faces that are going to be of one color by shift clicking them, and then selecting the color after clicking the Appearance tool. However, for the outside, we will be using a texture. A texture is simply a repeated picture, and they can be applied to create patterns on models. You can use alternate textures for your models by selecting a texture that comes with SolidWorks, or just a picture that you have on your computer. To do this, select the side you want, scroll down on the left palette, click Browse, select the file you want, click Open. You can resize this texture by clicking and dragging on one of the corners of the square shown when editing the texture. You can move the texture by clicking and dragging it. You can use the yellow circle as an indicator of the center of the image, and then when you're finished, click the green tick when you are satisfied. This concludes the video tutorial. Thanks for watching.